Here's what I know. This pumice stone has worked miracles on my dry, cracked heels. Yes, so you see it comes from that little loofah pad, or it comes with the loofah pad that you can put it on, and it hangs out in the shower. And then look at this guy. So you see, it's like, looks like lava. I'm not sure what it's made of, but it's called a pumice stone. And the way you use it is, well, I use it in the shower. I get my heel wet. You see how it's kind of dry and cracked? That is a big improvement from what it was before. But the heel's wet in the shower. Then I take this guy and I just scrub it. And it has made such a huge difference on my heels. See if you can get a good look at this one. These used to be so dry and cracked, and now they're so much smoother. I know they're a little dirty, they're like summertime grocery store feet, but this pumice stone is amazing. It's making a huge difference. So I used to think that my heel was, the reason it was so dry and cracked is because I had fungus or something. So I put antifungal cream on there, which helped a little bit. But this pumice stone, wow, makes a huge difference. I recommend it for anybody that has summertime flip-flop, dried, cracked heels. Start using this. I use it twice a day. It's made all the difference in the world. I recommend it.